Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook page URL. So first of all, you're gonna turn or switch your account to your page to your page, and then you will go to your settings and privacy right here, as you can see. So we're gonna click on it and we're gonna go to settings. And as you can see right here, this is the name of my page and the username. So we're gonna edit our username and we're gonna tap in, let's say for example, Adam. So this is the name, will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So basically that's how you enter your username on laptop. Unfortunately, there's no way you can do it on your phone, neither if it was from your Safari or even from your Facebook app. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.